What does your ideal Dubai life look like? Now, this is the conversation I often have with many of my clients. You should start by picturing your daily routine, your weekends. Are you someone who thrives on the city buzz, wanting restaurants, nightlife, and entertainment right on your doorstep? Maybe areas like downtown Dubai, Dubai Marina, or Business Bay are your vibe. Or perhaps you crave for more peace and quiet, a family friendly environment with parks, playgrounds, and a strong sense of community. Then you might look towards villa communities like Arabian Ranches, Al Furjan, Damac Hills, or even the Springs. And what about your commute? Proximity to work is a huge factor for many people. If you work in DIFC or Business Bay, living nearby saves you from ever increasing Dubai traffic and the associated driving stress. If schools are a priority, research communities that are known for good schools, maybe access to healthcare or specific leisure facilities is a key factor for your family. Fortunately, Dubai has incredibly diverse communities, each with its own unique character and price point. Now, don't just look at the property itself. Visit the neighborhoods at different times of the day, get a feel for the atmosphere. Does it match your lifestyle? Is it practical for your daily needs? Finding the right location for you is just as important as finding the right house or the apartment. Let's talk money. This is often the biggest hurdle and where clarity is absolutely crucial. The advertised price of a property. Now, that is just the starting point. As a first time buyer, you need a crystal clear picture of the total cost of ownership. And trust me, this is something where you need to do some homework. First up, the down payment. This is usually the biggest upfront chunk. For expats buying their first home, the minimum down payment required by the UAE Central Bank is generally 20% for properties valued under 5 million dirhams and 30% for properties over 5 million dirhams. There may be some changes here and there, but largely that is the scenario. Now, for UAE nationals, it's typically 15% for properties under 5 million dirhams and 25% for those above. This is a significant amount you need to have saved in cash. Now, the next is the upfront fees, and these add up pretty quickly. The first is Dubai Land Department fee. This is a mandatory government fee, currently 4% of the property purchase price. There are also small admin fees on top of this. The next is real estate agency fee. If you're using an agent, expect a commission, typically 2% of the purchase price plus 5% VAT. Usually, the buyer pays this. So the next is registration trustee fee. There's a fee paid to a DLD approved trustee office to handle the registration process. This is typically around 4,000 dirhams plus VAT for properties over half a million dirham and 2,000 dirhams plus VAT for those below that amount. Now, there is a transfer fee by the developer around 4,200 dirhams as well. It depends on case to case, but it is roughly around that. The next big thing is the mortgage fee. So, if you are getting a mortgage, there are bank fees like arrangement and processing fees offers around 1% of the loan amount plus the VAT. And then there is property valuation fee, which is around 22,500 dirhams to 3,500 dirhams plus, of course, the VAT. Then there is also a mortgage registration fee paid to the DLD, which is 0.25% of the loan amount plus a small admin fee. A significant change has taken place since February 1st, 2025. The UAE Central Bank has directed that banks can no longer finance the 4% DLD fee and the 2% agency commission as part of the mortgage loan. Now, this means you now need to have an additional 6% approximately of the property value available in cash upfront on top of the down payment and other fees. It was allowed earlier, but now the central bank has disallowed it. Now, this makes careful budgeting even more critical. Overall, budget for around 7% to 8% or potentially more now with the financing change of the property price just for these upfront fees and taxes.